And of course, my ultimate fit. This last one, this is a Korean Skinland. And that is it for my top. I'm about to have some hat hair at the end of this video. Sunscreen, the packing. This hat is like too big for me, even though if I adjusted it to pretty tight. Ooh, there we go. These 11s, oh my goodness. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. I know it's been like hella long since I posted anything on my series, which is my top 5 favorites. I always like to kind of keep you guys in the loop about my top 5 favorites, recurring favorites, new favorites, or just a little bit about both. For those who doesn't know, I'm super dry. My skin is dry, my hands are dry. My lips are always dried. I also think that's one of the reasons why I don't really wear a lot of lipsticks or lip stains in general, unless if I'm going out to an event. But for the most part, it's always something light, hydrating, and with sunscreen. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about my top 5 favorite lip balms and why. So in no particular order, I'm gonna start with these guys here. These are by Fresh Beauty. This is their popular lip balm, which is a lip treatment that has sunscreen. One main thing I like about the packaging is that it's a little twist and it's a roll up like a traditional lipstick. It's a really waxy type of finish. There's no colors to it, which I like. It's a very balmy formulation. It's super smooth, hydrating. It just feels waxy that it gives you like a thick layer on the lips for extra hydration, but it's also a really good prep for the next lip color or even a lip stain that you want to apply on top. You know it's going to be so hydrating throughout the day. Fresh Beauty offers a large range of colors and shades to choose from. Number 2, this is by Milk. This is their Kush lip balm that has cannabis oil. This one here is used pretty good because that's the bottom of the barrel. It is green, but there's no color to it, and it's just so waxy as well and hydrating. This does contain cannabis oil, which is good because it's so nourishing. I was actually worried about the smell of this being really strong, but it's very mild. I actually enjoyed this and I bought a second one. The other 4 shades that they offer, I feel like it has more of a tint versus this one, which is Green Dragon. This third one I'm going to talk about here is literally my ultimate, hands down favorite of all time, which is Jack Black. This is their lip balm with SPF 25. And of course, my ultimate favorite flavor or scent. I believe it's a scent, not a flavor. But I do love the actual fruit. This is grapefruit. This is also a nice waxy, balmy texture. I truly love the packaging of this because it's a twist off. It's squeezable. It has a nice slant to it. What I do like about this is that if you're out with somebody and they need a chapstick, you can actually squeeze out a little bit with a napkin or a Q-tip and just kind of take out a little bit from the top. Versus the traditional roll-up wands, you can't really share those. You would have to like scrape it off or get alcohol. But I feel like this is really nice and easy to travel with and of course to share with a friend if needed. Jack Black actually offers a handful of scents, so check them out on Sephora.com. Innisfreeze! Innisfreeze. Really cool because they actually have their own little boutique at Stone Sound Galleria, which I went there the other day, but I didn't have a chance to go there because I was just passing by to do one thing at the mall and just get out of there. However, this is also offered with Sephora. This is also a K-beauty product, so it's also a sister company of Laneige, Amore Pacific. I actually discovered these last holiday, so literally a few months ago. I love these so much. They're just like the Jack Black because it's a squeezy tube. It has a slant applicator, easy to hug your lips to apply on. This offers in 3 colors. You have the berry, you have the white peach, and you also have the hibiscus. The hibiscus is a little too pinky pink for me, so I don't really like that. But I do love these 2 colors a lot. It does not contain any sunscreen, which is okay. But what I do like about this is that it has a fair amount of color. So not only the color, it gives a beautiful matte finish. The texture of this is very silky. Literally, a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot, but it's so funny how it's a matte finish. Just gonna mix a little both. See, it's literally a matte finish. It tints your lips. There's no shine, which I like, no sparkles. It's just so natural looking and feeling. And it smells so good. This here is a white peach, and that's the berry color. So this last one here actually was a little discovery. I really forgot what site I bought this from. This is the Kula. This is also like the Fresh Beauty. It has a little twist off cap, and then you're gonna twist the product up. It's called Summer Crush, so it has like a slight little shimmer. Although it gives you that natural lip color finish, it has a little bit of a sheen and a shimmer, but it also contains a lot of sunscreen. This one has like the most out of everything, which is SPF 30. I literally have this by my door side of my cars because I drive a lot and I'm always in the sun or the sun's always shining at me. So I need this in my car to protect my lips. In addition to my Supergoop SPF 50 sunscreen, guys, you guys don't understand. You need to protect your face as well as your lips because you could get some discoloration. So I actually highly recommend using a lip balm, especially if you guys are dry. So I do highly recommend you guys carry a lip balm with you with SPF, especially if you guys are always driving or just happen to be in the sun. At least this product here does 3 things: hydration, sunscreen protection, and a slight tint. I actually find this very useful and helpful as I'm driving because if I'm running out of the house and I totally forget to put a lip product on, I have something that has sunscreen protection, a lip balm treatment, as well as a tint. And that is it for my top 5 favorites on lip balms. Please comment down below what kind of lip balms you guys like to use or what you guys recommend. As you guys know, I'm a lip balm junkie. I love to know what you guys are using. As always, everything will be in the info box for you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you guys liked it. I hope you guys found it helpful or useful in any way. And also, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!